welcome back to our Damac Heights project. You've previously seen this place before if you've watched any of my older videos where we actually talk about this project in particular. So we're just doing a site visit as we do every morning. We go down to each one of our sites that we're doing any work on, and we're just seeing the progress, and we give our clients the update. So as you can see, a lot of the MEP is being done now, so all the plumbing, all the electrical, everything like that is all being finalized as we speak. As you can see, we've got all the wires coming out of the roof, and things are just getting patched up as per what needs to be done to put the lighting in, the new plumbing, the new showers, the new everything, okay? So I'm going to take you around and show you what exactly is being done.
All right, so as you can see in the kitchen, all the MEP and the gypsum has been roughed in. We have the electrical, we've connected some stuff into the ductwork, cleaned out the ducts and the unit as well for the AC. So everything is pretty much ready to start the fit out in the kitchen. So in the original design, we had made full height doors. Unfortunately, the Mac didn't give us the as-built drawings, and there's a beam actually above the door frame entering into the master. But we pivoted very well and essentially redesigned so we have a wood panel to match, and it actually resembles a full height door, so it can still align with the original design. So this is a 2-bedroom. This is the first bathroom for the first bedroom. All the rough-ins as well has been done. So the MEP, electrical, plumbing behind the toilet, everything is basically ready to go. Again, all the stuff, you can see this black is all the waterproofing for the tiles, just to make sure that no moisture gets in behind the tiles that we're installing. So now we're in the master bathroom. As you can see, waterproofing is done. They're just finishing the MEP so we can start fitting out again. All the materials ready to go. I think this project is well underway.
So it's very evident when I'm stood here why we chose this apartment. As you can see, we've got the full view of the palm, few restrictions, but literally at night time this looks insane, all right? And this is what we have to do when we're finding apartments, especially in somewhere like the Marina, right? What's the unique selling point? Besides the fact that the building is very nice, actually, the facilities, but what's the view like? Because if it was just a road view, for example, then there's not going to be any premium we can add to it. And this is what we do, especially when we're looking and sourcing properties. We're making sure that there are unique selling points so that we can stand out from the crowd, and when they are completed, we can easily resell them. So stay tuned, because there's going to be a lot more videos from the progress update of this project and all of our other projects. We make a very big effort to go and visit these projects every single day and film and show people behind the scenes to show that we're putting the quality into them. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and one more time, have a look at this view. Beautiful. Tell me you wouldn't like to see that at night. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.